Hi, I'm Adrian Ramsay and this is 1 Minute Wonder. I want to take you through a little design hack that I often use. When we're doing renovations or even in new homes, we look at our ceiling heights. This changes emotions. The emotions shift depending on whether the ceiling's low or whether the ceiling's high. In a case like this where it was a renovation, we've got our raftered ceiling that runs away from us, and then we're in the kitchen here in the corner. Now the kitchen is the heart of the home. It's a place where the family gather. It's something that brings people around. It's food, it's love, it's all those pieces that make people feel secure. In doing a bulkhead like this around the edge of the kitchen, it gave us the ability to give it some intimacy and put a lid on the space and form the space. The lights across here did the other forming of that space. It's cost effective and it looks brilliant and it brings the emotions into one spot and focuses us. Thanks for watching this episode, and if you'd like to see more, click on the link above or below for YouTube or Facebook.